So I completely forgot to make my video after my run like I usually do. But I just remembered, so I want to do it really quickly while it's fresh in my mind. Just want to make a quick video about my run because I forgot to do it while right after my run during my cool down. So this week was a shorter run week. Last week I did a 14 miler for my long run. So this week was shorter. I still did my Tuesday, Thursday normal 30-minute run. And I did a 1 mile run on Friday. It was a really easy run on the treadmill during my lunch break. Tuesday and Thursday, I ran after work for 30 minutes. Tuesday, I did a hill training run. Found a really high hill, one that's a little bit higher than I was running on last month. So this is a little bit more of a challenge for me. Thursday was more speed, working on my speed. So I increased that zone up. It was a zone 3 run. And Tuesday was a zone 2 run. It's usually always that way for me. Tuesday is a zone 2, Thursday is a zone 3, and Friday was really light, a light and easy zone 1 workout. My long runs, I tend to run in zone 2, as I did today. But today was a 4-miler, which was really short compared to last week's 14-miler. Plus, at the end of that, I did a 1-mile fast run. Now, on my running schedule, every now and then, it seems like around like a monthly thing, I do a really fast run to see how much speed I've picked up. And then I kind of, it matches up to my heart rate zones too, because I noticed that my heart rate is a little lower even though I'm running faster. So that's what I did today. I did 4 miles in a zone 2, then I did a really, really fast 1-miler for a total of 5 miles today. So that was that. So that pretty much means next week is going to be probably another long run, probably more than 14 miles. Probably, I don't know, not sure. Haven't looked at my run schedule. It might be 16 miles or 17. It's usually something like that. It doesn't bump up too much, but it does bump up. So keeping it short, I'm going to stop right there, and I'll say, hopefully I'll catch you out in these fitness running streets. So until next time, and I'll try to remember to do my video right after I finish on my cool downs like I normally do. I really like to do it that way, but today I forgot. But anyway, it's done. So see you next time.